a topic that I am very passionate about and love to talk about: restaurants and trademarks too. I love restaurants, well, for many reasons. Of course, I love a great meal. I love supporting small businesses, local businesses, and I have a connection to the restaurant industry. My wife and my brother-in-law own 2 restaurants for many years. And so I've seen firsthand the restaurant world and the power of branding and protecting a restaurant brand. And actually, I went back and looked as I prepared for this episode. I've been blessed to work with filing more than 200 trademark applications for restaurant services. Everything from cheesesteaks to sushi to Korean barbecue to food trucks to diners to ice cream, you name it, all types of food and restaurant businesses. And like I said, I get particular joy out of working with them because I know that so many of them are small businesses, local businesses, mom and pop businesses, family run businesses. And I take great pleasure and pride in working with those types of clients. I'm fortunate because I get to work with ones who understand the value of protecting their name and registering it as a trademark. But many, many thousands and thousands of restaurants have not understood that value proposition. You see, most restaurants do not have registered trademarks, and they should. That's what I want to talk about now, is why. Because a restaurant name is valuable just like any other brand name, of course. The way that people find the restaurant, the way that people tell their friends about it, or search for it online, or follow a social media page, all revolves around the name of the restaurant, right? You don't tell somebody to oh yeah, just you go to that seafood place in town. How are they going to find it? They need to know the name of it. You go to Clarendon's Beach Shack. Okay, if I search for Clarendon's Beach Shack, the one and only Clarendon's Beach Shack is going to show up, and I'll know how to get there, how to find it, how to look at their menu, etc. But there are other reasons that protecting a name is particularly valuable for a restaurant. Restaurants are frequently sold to investors or to new owners at some point. And having a protected name is an asset for that transaction and adds value to the business because any future owner will know that it's protected. Restaurants are often copied or imitated. So protecting the restaurant name has value to make sure that if there is a knockoff, you have tools to deal with it more easily and generally more quickly, more cheaper. Also, now in the world where so much of the communication is online, that makes protecting it even more, because even a restaurant that's just one location in one geographic area is impacted online if there's another restaurant with a identical or very similar name in another area. People could get confused, see the wrong menu, find the wrong directions, follow the wrong Instagram account, you name it. And I have seen this happen with clients. So protecting your trademark with a USPTO federal trademark registration gives you nationwide rights. And even for a local restaurant business, having nationwide rights can be very important for those reasons. So when you put that all together, it's a great investment for the restaurant. Yes, it's an expense, but it's an investment. It's an investment of protecting the future, of enhancing the value of the brand and of the business. If you want to talk about restaurants or protecting restaurant trademarks, find me at erikpelton.com. You can find more of my videos at erikpelton.tv. And thanks for watching and listening.